Okay guys, so we got them out of the box packaging, but we didn't get them out of this packaging. So we're going to get them out. You guys watching? So it comes with a Blob Girl's head. And by the way, I'm just putting them together the way that they're supposed to. I'm not going to make them very unique or anything. I'm going to do that once I get to design lab and so on. I'll make other ones, like ones that look like me and stuff. So here's the Ice Girl head, and they're both really pretty heads. So it makes them have really pretty faces. So then, they also, here are the Blob Girl hands. And here are the Ice Girl hands. Here is the, that's kind of stuff. Okay, so let's just start with some other stuff. Here are the Ice Girl lower legs and Blob lower legs. And Blob Girl flies.
Not this way, Bob.
I know, but
There's room there.
Blob size and Ice Girl size. So we're just having to talk there. So yeah. Get out of the packaging. Whoa. Okay, this is hard. These are so easy to get out. Why is this one like completely packaged in there? Okay, there we go. Yeah, and then
What are these?
thighs. And Blob Girl has shoes, but Ice Girl doesn't. And one of them can have stand, but the other doesn't. And then Blob Girl, I think these are the upper arms. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if those are upper or lower arms. We'll figure out when we put it together. And Blob Girl, other arms. And then here are the blobs, the arms of the Ice Girl. This one, and now can we get the torsos out? Yeah, so here's Blob. This is Ice Girl's torso and outfit, and this is Blob Girl's torso and outfit. And here's a stand that one of them can have. And yeah, there it is. Now just quickly put the stand together before we get the wigs out. Just quickly. Okay, there we go. It's black. And now, Mom, can you just help me get the wigs out, please? This is a, oh look, the Blob Girl's wig is pink and rubber, and Ice Girl's wig is packaged really tightly, like, you know, really a lot, and it's like that. It's a normal type of wig. So now we're going to put them together. So I'm naming this one Brain Anna because it kind of looks like brain, sort of. And instead of Brain Anna, it's Brain Anna. So I put it like that. And then this is Ice Girl's stuff. And I want to name her Icely. So yeah, kind of changes along the way of processing. Mm-hmm. So here is
Both good names.
Yeah, thanks. All right, so we're going to do Blob Girl first. So you just easily put them together. Well, that's not very easy to get.
Yeah, that doesn't sound easy.
Because of such a big neck, it's very good. Mom, can you help me get that onto her? The rest will probably be easy. I've heard that it is.
You're gonna have to do something.
Okay, I'm now the holder of the camera. And please don't get mad at me because I'm very bad at holding cameras, but it seems like I'm pretty good.
You're recording me? Oh, there you go.
Look, my mom got it on. Now I'm giving the camera back to my mom. In order to create a good doll, you just kind of need to put the this a little bit higher. It's kind of hard to do, but just try it. It'll make it look better. So,
Did I push her in too far?
no, it was good. So these are the upper arms over here. Why? It says easy to assemble. Easy, easy. Okay, and put that there. And put that here. I've heard that the hands are some of the hardest parts to do because they always bend. There. There's that one. The other one. Get that in. Great. Easy. Easy. There we go. This will hopefully be easy too. Easy, easy, easy. In there. In there. In there. And where's the other one? There it is. There we go. Okay. There we go. And then we'll need to put her dress on later. We'll put that on later. Why isn't it getting off her? Oh, right, because I'm not doing it. Sorry, guys. A little bit panicky because of the video stuff. All right. Her leg things, her thighs, whatever we call them. We just need to get them on. Get on there. Oh, goodness. Get on there. It's crazy. Why isn't this going on to the stupid part of her body? It's crazy. There we go. Finally. All right. Now, this should be this leg. Okay. There. And what? Great. There we go.
Goodness.
And we'll put all of her real clothes on. It's kind of hard to get her head on. There we go. There she is. And we'll let her clothes on when we describe the dolls. Now let's just quickly go through this one. Let's see. Torso, we need to do, where's the torso? There it is. Clothes and shoes. Stuff. I hate to get those on. Yep, there we go. And the fatter ones. These ones are the fatter ones. These ones are the skinnier ones. It's hard to get them into those little holes. There we go. Try to get this done quickly because we're running out of time for video. Video. There. on going. Keep on going. And take her dress off, even though she's going to be naked. It's a better way to create the doll.
She's gonna look like an alien.
What?
She's gonna look like an alien.
Yeah, like kind of like a robot though.
Mm-hmm.
This one's head is all weird. I will fix that for the next video. Size. Okay, let's not fix on this one, that one. Okay.
Her head's on weird.
Yeah, we'll fix that for the next video. We just need to get through this quick.
Hi. Hi.
Can you face me, please?
Let's see what's going on behind me.
So
That's my
annoying.
friend. Brianna. That back there is Icicle.
Isolate.
Icily. We
Why
got
is
no
this silly
clothes.
thing going on? So annoying.
No,
Makes no sense.
makes no sense.
Why isn't it just...
I get you.
Okay. Can you please help me? It's really just not going on. There we go. Quick. And okay, we got somebody walking in now.
Yep. Got that guy in the background as he came in.
Okay, so this is pretty much how they look. Not with their clothes on. We're going to describe them with their clothes on. Wait, hold on. Let's just try and get her.
Here.
Hey, Mom, can you just put this on her head real quick?
Okay.
I'll play with her.
Okay.
Sorry that I'm naked. I'll be good in the next video. It's just because, like, it's just for video purposes and stuff. So, yeah.
So, like, for sure.
What?
I don't know. It's not going on. Oh, here.
So, alright.
There we go.
Now we're going to fully assemble them, just put their clothes on, and then we'll describe them. So yeah, we'll be right back with part 3.
Show them both.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like now.